Hello everyone. In the built-up sector OI historical. Here on the chart, the green bar is indicating the long. Along with you can see the OI data. Then the blue line is indicating long unwinding. The red is indicating short and the yellow is indicating short covering. The white line represents the price of that sector. Further, you can see the absolute OI change daily basis. Then you can see the OI percentage change daily basis. Lastly, you also have the table view. Here you can see the date wise OI, absolute OI, OI percentage change, price of that sector and the reading. That is, LU indicate long unwinding, S indicate short, SC indicate short covering and L is indicating long. Thank you.